to show you how to use Mendeley. First, you can download it on Google Chrome, then you can log in using your email. If so, you will see a display like this. You can search for the reference you need in the Mendeley library. The way is you can open Google Chrome and type Mendeley library, then you can search for reference according to your needs. If so, you can add it in a way. You can tap the sign above the blue one. Then you can tap Add Files or you can tap Add Folders. Now you open Microsoftword, then you tap what you want to type. If so, you can tap Reference at the top, then you can tap Mendeley site. Then you can press Insert Citation. If so, it will be like this. Then if you want to create a bibliography, then you can press the three dots in Mendeley site. It will appear like this. Then you can press Insert Bibliography. Then you press Continue. Done. The bibliography has been added.